Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to sell items in Merge Gardens game. If you want to free up space in your garden, earn coins and keep your garden growing beautifully, then you can easily sell items in the Merge Garden game. Launch open Merge Garden app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account and your garden is loaded. From the main garden page, go ahead and search through your garden and find the items you don't need or want to sell. The items can be plants, decorations, or resources you don't need. Tap on the item and then at the bottom of the screen, you will see a coin item with a small plus in it. Tap on it and this will ask you if you want to sell this item. If the items can't be sold, the sell option may be grayed out, but if you find the item that can be sold, you'll be able to see the value of the items you'll get at the bottom in blue. Tap on it to sell the items in your garden. The item will be removed from your garden and your coin balance will increase. Continue selecting and selling items to manage your garden space effectively. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.